Hello, Ian here from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to create a URL redirect on Shopify. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So you can see on the screen here, I have a 404 error code. There's a couple reasons this is really bad. One reason, customers can't find the product they're looking for. Second reason is it tells Google that there's something wrong with your site and that will hurt your SEO. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a URL redirect on Shopify. So when people hit this particular page, this URL up here, I'm going to send them to my catalog page because this product has been discontinued. So first thing I'm going to do is just copy the URL because we're going to need that. And then I'm going to go into Shopify. And here I am on the main Shopify home screen. Doesn't matter if you're using a Windows or a Mac or what browser. As long as you're logged in, you should see something like this. Go to Online Store, Navigation, and then in the right corner, top right corner, you'll see View URL Redirects. Click that. So here are all the URL redirects that I already have. Sometimes Shopify actually creates these automatically, but not if you delete a product. You actually have to manually create the redirect. So let's do that right now. Click the green button, Create URL Redirect. So redirect from the original URL that you'd like to forward visitors from. So I'm going to paste in the whole thing, and then for the redirect, I'm just going to go back to that browser. And I want people to go to this particular page. This is a collection page with a tag attached. So I'm just going to paste that right in. If you want to, if you know what you're doing, you can use the relative URLs. That's fine too. I'm just going to use the absolute URLs just like I just showed you, and then save redirect. Your redirect was created. So let's see what happens when we actually try it out. It may not work because sometimes it takes a couple seconds for the cache to work, but let's see. I'm going to reload this 404 and see if it goes. Okay, it did exactly what I wanted to. It sent people to the catalog page. Now I'm going to be deleting a whole bunch more products, so I'm going to have to set up redirects for all those old product pages, but it's worth doing because your customers will be able to see something and Google will know that, okay, it's not a broken site. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And if you go to leanmedia.org, it's my official site. Click on blog or video. I have tons more free information about using Shopify, Amazon, all these online platforms to help your online business. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.